Hey everyone, this week as promised we do have a couple of opening diecast cars. First up is the Daimler 250 V8 by Paragon. So Daimler was purchased by Jaguar, and so this is largely a Jaguar Mark II body, but it had a unique 2.5 liter V8, which you can see in there. You've got some scale metal hinges, which I do appreciate it, as opposed to dog legs. Pretty neat looking car overall. Paintwork's good, no real issues to report. If I can open. The door handles are kind of neat. They remind me of the semi-current canceled a couple years ago Lincoln Continental, how the chrome of the door handle kind of blends into the chrome beauty strip there. See, we do have carpeting, reasonably detailed interior. All four doors do open. If I can get it open, I will get it open, or use your imagination. But yeah, let's go move on to the trunk then. Nothing really much to see there. Come on, one more time. Yay! Right rear door open. Pretty nice piece. Paragon, you know, not the most popular company. They do a lot of dealer editions. I think I have a lot of their BMWs. They're pretty good. Old school opening diecast. Reasonably priced. This probably retailed for like $119. I think I got it on sale at Replicars. It's not currently there, but I think I paid like $50 to $60 for it. At that price, I'm not mad at it. So if you do find it for comfortably under $100, I do think it's worth it. You know, getting fully opening diecast is not exactly common and easy at this point. Packaging, not a window box, but you do get a little preview of the paperwork, which it says this car number 327 out of 3,000, which that's pretty nice to have that at least, as opposed to an open-ended, you know, limited edition of who knows how many. Next up, another kind of oddball car, the Opel GT. And this is by Minichamps. This is pretty old tooling, and I'd been hunting one of these used for a while, but actually got one from, I think this was from a sale at Wholesale Diecast. So these were neat. Rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, not exactly high-powered cars, overhead valves, about like 1.1 liters. If they broke 100 horsepower, it was one of the more powerful variants, so not exactly a high-powered car. But really neat to look at. The rear hatch does not open, sadly. Doors do, of course. This came in a variety of colors. I was usually after a green one, but this orange one popped up. It's not carpeted, but I don't know that the real car would have had carpeting anyway. Seats don't fold or do fold? Let's see. Seats don't fold. You know, not amazing quality. Minichamps has been kind of off for a long time, but this is old tooling. You can kind of see some of the attachment points on the rear window. Paint's pretty good though. Engine detail is, you know, fine. One of the unique details though was the headlights, how they roll over from the sides instead of the front, from front to rear. Pretty neat. I really appreciate they kept that detail and made it functional. There's the underneath. And again, this probably retailed for like $129, $139. They probably go for a lot more on eBay in my experience. Again, I probably paid like $50, $60 for it. There's the packaging, enclosed window box. Very, very small, compact box. It doesn't have a number, but I do think it's limited to, I think like 500-ish maybe. Oh, nope. Limited to 1,002 pieces. I don't know that it's individually numbered. Let's check again. Yeah, like I said, I don't think it's individually numbered, which would be appreciated. But again, still nice opening diecast. So that's it for this week. Everyone please like and subscribe, and have a good one.